Hi, this is your financial advisor, Erwin Leo Garcia. So, i-discuss natin ngayon ang In-Life Resilience. So, si In-Life Resilience is a critical illness plan which covers major and minor critical illness. So, this is also a life insurance, so whichever comes first. So, life or health. So, if ever nagkaroon ng loss of life, magkakaroon or mako-convert itong plan na to as life insurance. So for this example, gumawa ako ng proposal for 500,000 for male 35 years old client. So sabi ko nga kanina, if ever there is a loss of life, makukuha ni beneficiary is 500,000 for this example. So the accelerated benefit of this plan, if ever magkaroon ng diagnosis for major critical illness si insured, ang makukuha niya is lump sum of 500,000. So, yung list of critical illness, isi-send ko separately. Then, for the minor critical illness, that's 25% of 500,000 for for this example. So, that's 125,000. So, i-deduct siya doon sa sum insured, which is 375,000 na lang yung matitira. So, if ever nagkaroon ng minor critical illness si insured, then unfortunately, there is a loss of life. So, ang magiging death benefit na lang is 375 kasi nga na-advance na yung 125,000 or na-claim na yung 125,000. So, for this minor critical illness, two times makakapag-claim si client. So, that would be 125,000, 125,000. So, may remaining pa siyang 250,000 for major claim or the death benefit. So, I just want to remind you that the first and second claim should be at different illnesses. So, ayan po. And also, I just want to remind na there is a limit if ever catheter-based, yung minor CI, which is stated here. And also for the amputation due to diabetic complication, the maximum benefit would be 1 million. So, covered din po ang mga kids dito up to age 17. There is a list of minor critical illness for juveniles. Also, mako-cover lang po natin na minor critical illness ang Alzheimer's and Parkinson disease up to age 85. So if ever wala pong claims in between, so starting at age 65 for this example, makaka-receive ng 8% of the sum insured which is 40,000 pesos starting at age 65, 70, 75, 80, and 85. Ayan. If ever no minor or major critical illness na na-claim sa duration ng plan bago siya mag 65 years old. Then we also have the booster benefit. So, si booster benefit is a benefit on top of the sum insured. So, for example, na-hospitalize si insured due to minor or major critical illness, the per day um, claimable amount is 1,250. So, for example, for computational purposes, so 10 araw na admit si client due to minor critical illness. So, kunyari, 10 times 1,250, so that's 12,500 on top of the 125,000 since minor critical illness nga siya. So, since this plan, up to 2 times yung claim, for minor critical illness, similar din 'to. So, 'pag dalawang beses nagkaroon ng minor claim, dalawang beses din magkakaroon ng minor, hospital allowance benefit claim. So, siyempre if ever nagkaroon ng major critical illness, so meron pa uli siyang hospitalization benefit for that. So, up to 3 times pupuwede. If ever the scenario is minor, minor, then major. So, the benefit for this is up to 75 years old. Then next is late-stage cancer. So if ever ma-diagnose si client ng stage 4 cancer on top of the 500,000 or the major critical illness, meron pa siyang receive na 75,000. So that's total of 575,000. The critical illness buyback, so ito po is magkakaroon po ng second claim. Ayan. So sabi ko nga kanina, if ever nagkaroon ng major claim si client, for example, heart attack, then nagpa-hospital siya, nag-undergo siya ng mga therapy and also mga necessary medical treatment para mapagaling si client. But if unfortunate event happens, kunyari nag-reoccur, nagkaroon ng sakit uli, nagkaroon ng heart attack, cancer or stroke after after many years, so pwede pa siyang mag-claim ng another 500,000. But this time, it's only cancer, heart attack, at stroke. But also, dapat is at least 2 years from the first major claim. And also, dapat nagkaroon nga siya ng remission or maximal medical recovery. Ayan. Then the maturity benefit, if ever no claims, no advances, there are no loans on this plan, the maturity benefit is 500,000. Ayan. So meron po tayong optional benefit dito, which is accidental death benefit. So if ever the loss of life is due to accident, on top of the sum insured, which is 500,000, meron pa ang additional 500,000 na marireceive si beneficiary. So that's total of 1 million. So there's also a waiver premium. So if ever nagkaroon ng sakit or accident si client and unable to perform work because of the disability, i-waive na ni Insular Life yung premium payment. Ayan. So here are the major critical illness. So i-send ko na lang po separately for your reference. Then also, meron din pong living benefits si critical illness. So para siyang saving component. So savings component. So ayun nga po is meron siyang guaranteed cash value. Yan. So habang nagbabayad po tayo, nag-accumulate po siya ng guaranteed cash value. So if ever in the future, for whatever reason you want to surrender the policy, kunyari at age or sorry, year 7 you want to surrender the policy, the guaranteed cash value during that time is 115,724. So yun po yung parang magiging cashback. Hindi total ng binayad mo is makukuha mo, but portion of the premium that you paid, makukuha mo. Then if ever naman gusto mong gamitin yung cash value ng plan, you can actually take loan from it. So pwede kang mag-loan doon sa plan. So syempre, since that this is a loan, so parang inuutangan mo yung sarili mo since this is your plan. So kailangan mo ring bayaran. So there is an interest. So also nag-earn din ng dividends itong plan na to. So on the 11th year after paying the plan. So since this is a 10-year plan, or sorry, 10 paying years, on the 11th year is mag-accumulate ka na ng dividends. You have an option to get the dividends from the policy or leave it on the policy to grow. Yan, kung may depende sa interest rate during that year. So, ayan po. So, sabi ko nga kanina, may in-cash shape bonus. So, makaka-receive si client ng 40,000 every 5 years. So, again, the in-shape cash bonus is an accelerated benefit. So, for example, nakakuha na siya ng 40,000, tapos nagkaroon ng loss of life, ibabawas yung 40,000 doon sa death benefit, which is 500,000. So, that would be 460 na lang yung matitira. So, yung cash benefit po is depende sa age. So, if ever you want to check how much is the dividends, how much is the premium, kasi po for this example, this is for 35 years old. So, ayan po ang summary or ang benefits po ng In Life Resilience. If you have question po, send me a message.